So we just finished doing this arts and crafts project. The paint is still drying, but we did this beautiful unicorn today, and it's pink on one side and green on the other. And of course we had enough paint. We could have done it any number of colors, and with the extra paints we'll do another project because we had enough paint left. It comes with 2 paint brushes, some glue, some sandpaper. So what was the first thing we did?
The first thing we did was sanded the edges.
Yeah, so we took it out, got all our stuff out, and we sanded the edges, and that was important just so that the paint goes on smooth and it looks better. Then after we sanded the edges, then what did we do?
Then we glued everything onto the unicorn.
Yeah, so it comes with all these little pieces, and we decided to do the music notes on one side and flowers and stars on the other side, but we could have mixed it up any way we wanted. We put on the one side, we have hair and a saddle, which is beautiful. So there were lots of different options. Did you like having 2 different sides?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Then what did we do after we glued everything?
We started painting everything. We also painted this part, and this is when I made this so it changes colors.
Yeah, so we decided to get a little creative. You did all the artistic decisions, right? But we blended some paints together. We tried some different things. We got a little messy. So this side especially, we were getting tired, huh? We just wanted to get it done. But this side is the side that you'll showcase in your room because it matches your room. And it's beautiful. You did such a good job.
And I noticed that this is the only note that's different from the others, and it's the most beautiful one, so I decided to put on the saddle.
Yeah, that's called a treble clef. All right, and then what's the last part?
Then we started to put in the lights of this and screwed this on. So and also the button is right here, and when you press it, the light turns on. How will you see?
Oh, there we
See
go.
that?
All right, and then you just put it in. So it comes with a string lights and some glitter stuff inside the bulb. It's just a plastic bulb, but just a fun thing. So probably not something that you would have permanently on, but for special occasions and for decoration, we turn that light on, right? We don't know how long that battery will last, but super cute. Are you proud of it? It looks awesome. There you go, it's super cute. Nice work. All right.